Imagine a world where your love for sports turn into real rewards. Welcome to Buzzer, the digital sports platform that revolutionizing the game. Whether you're a diehard fan, an aspiring athlete, or just a savvy investor, Buzzer connects everyone into the sports ecosystem. And the great thing about it, it's all here. From fans to amateur athletes to scouts, managers, clubs, sponsors, and even investors. Download now buzzerfan.com and join the movement. Buzzer is more than an application. It's a global hub where talent meets opportunity. Fans, connect with your favorite athlete through live events, exclusive content, and interactive chat. Amateur and pro players, showcase your skills, build your brand, and even monetize your journey. Let's go. Scouts and managers, discover the rising stars through network and faster communication. Every user gets a verification badge that highlights your role, whether you're a fan, athlete, club, or sponsor. Unlocking special benefits like priority access and exclusive opportunities. By merging technology with sports, Buzzer transforms every performance, highlight, and fan interaction into real economic value. It's the meeting point for everyone in sports, creating that environment for easy collaboration and new doors to open. And the best part, you can earn real money on Buzzer, create and share content, videos, streams, and highlights, and get paid based on views, engagement, and streams. Pretty amazing stuff. You can even build your own fan community and monetize it directly. Fans and creators, start mining those Buzzer coins just by participating. Right now, the token's at an incredible value right now, and it does have a limited time signing bonus. So let's get started. Oh, it's Buzzer time. Referral program got even better. Rewards for faster payouts. Now, I know you're excited to get started, like right now. Invite friends and earn on every sign up. No more fake accounts. In fact, the new AI fraud checking system ensures transparency for the trusted community. Whether you're posting sports content or predicting the game outcome, your passion can really pay off working with buzzerfan.com. Now, Buzzer takes it even further with groundbreaking investment opportunities. Athletes, you can tokenize your career and let fans, sponsors, and investors support you in exchange of a share of future earnings. Get the funding you need to train, compete, and even level up, all while giving back emotionally and financially value to your backers. Investors, you could be a part of an athlete's journey and watch your support grow into real returns. It's literally a win-win. Talent gets boosted and the community share in the success. Are you ready to connect, earn, or even elevate your sports world? Download Buzzer today from the App Store or even the Google Play Store, or you can even visit the website buzzerfan.com. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'm the captain. Check out Buzzer today, where sports passion meets real rewards.